everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate adventure vehicle, the 2025 Kia Motorhome. Kia has taken its innovative design and renowned reliability to a new level, transforming road trips and outdoor excursions into luxury travel experiences. Let's explore what makes this motorhome a game changer for travelers everywhere. Kia's signature design language shines through in the 2025 Motorhome, blending rugged strength with a sleek, contemporary look. Built on Kia's solid and reliable platform, this motorhome sports a streamlined body with bold LED headlights, a distinctive grille, and aerodynamic lines. It's eye-catching but also practical, designed to be both wind-resistant and fuel-efficient, which is rare in motorhomes. Under the hood, we've got an eco-friendly hybrid engine option, delivering smooth performance and greater fuel efficiency. Kia's commitment to sustainable travel is clear here. For those who love going off the beaten path, the motorhome is also available with an all-wheel drive option, giving you that extra grip for those tricky terrains. With its efficient fuel consumption and robust build, you can comfortably tackle long journeys without constant refueling. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a high-end, spacious interior that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. Kia has incorporated smart, modular seating that can transform from a cozy living area into a comfortable sleeping space in seconds. High-quality materials, ambient lighting, and wooden finishes create a warm, relaxing atmosphere. The kitchen is fully equipped with energy-efficient appliances, from a compact fridge to a microwave, and even a dual-burner stove. And yes, there's a compact, stylish bathroom with a shower and eco-friendly water-saving fixtures, making you feel right at home wherever you are. The 2025 Kia Motorhome is also packed with advanced technology to make your travel smooth and enjoyable. It's got Kia's latest infotainment system, which integrates easily with smartphones for GPS, music, and hands-free calls. Plus, the dashboard features a large digital display with customizable settings, allowing you to monitor your driving stats, fuel levels, and even weather updates with ease. Kia hasn't overlooked safety either. The 2025 Motorhome is equipped with driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras for easy parking. This means you can travel with peace of mind, knowing that Kia's safety tech is there to support you on every mile. So, whether you're a weekend explorer or a full-time road tripper, the 2025 Kia Motorhome is ready to elevate your adventures. With its blend of style, performance, and modern amenities, it's truly a home away from home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.